Claude Opus 5 has officially arrived. This flagship model is designed for long-term autonomous workflows and professional-grade coding. One of its standout features is an enormous 1 million token context window. Claude Opus 5 also introduces scalable reasoning modes, resulting in significantly higher accuracy for complex tasks. It has already achieved a record-breaking 30.2% score on the ARC-AGI 3 benchmark, outperforming previous industry-leading AI systems on novel reasoning challenges. Claude Opus 5 is especially impressive because it can build complete multi-file software projects, automatically detect and repair coding errors, and coordinate multiple AI agents through writer-verifier workflows that reduce conflicts during development. However, it isn't perfect. The model can sometimes produce overly detailed responses, hesitate to make minor decisions without human approval, and because it is capable of autonomous code execution, developers need to carefully limit permissions, especially for database operations, to avoid accidental data loss. Even with these limitations, Claude Opus 5 sets a new standard for AI reasoning and autonomous agents, making it one of the most advanced and capable AI models currently available.